way to the what, car show? Yeah, we're going to the car show. What?
You must say that. I'm not gonna be friends.
What? Alright. Guys, so we're going to the car show, right? Alright, guys, we're going to the car show.
Calm your butt.
It's gonna be really fun. We're gonna be doing stuff. So, and also today, guys, we gained 1 more subscriber, so now we have 9 subscribers. Isn't that right, everybody?
Yeehaw.
I know, right? Alright, Hudson.
Wait, your camera. I didn't realize that.
Oh, a camera?
Can we leave the can alone?
I got my camera around, I don't know, maybe Christmas? I don't know. I'm pretty sure I got it around Christmas. So we're on our way to the car show, and we'll see you guys there. Guys, we successfully made it to the car show. Isn't that right, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you just stepped on my sand, Dell. Oh.
Did you guys bring your water?
Oh my God.
Yeah, go get your water in the back.
Yeah, go get your water, guys. I don't have water because I drank a whole bunch of it. Yeah. Okay, so guys, we officially made it to the car show. We're all good, right?
We're good.
And what else are we gonna be doing? Milk duds! I'm gonna eat those. Will this be my only candy then?
I don't know.
Well, keep this in my pocket. Where's all the candy? Well, okay then. So, there's your baby bumper. Okay, guys, so the bell is going off and everything. And, yeah, guys, so we're going to be doing this today. It's going to be so much fun. And, Sarah, what kind of cars are here?
You know, you're asking the wrong person. You gotta ask your father that.
I got to ask Raja. Dad, what kind of cars are here?
You got a Bentley? You got a Bentley?
No, I don't. Babe.
No, I don't have a pinky, babe.
What kind of cars are here?
Yeah.
I don't know. One's a drive?
One's that drive? Okay.
In a second, babe.
So, what are those? Oh, sorry. Hey. Bye. This is the depressed failure everybody knows.
Very nice.
It's probably the nicest thing I've ever
I don't know where
Did you ask? This is my aunt. She's literally 13. I'm 12.
You mean 14?
You 14?
Yes, please.
Oh my God. I
Oh!
absolutely hate you.
She's 14 years old! Never knew that.
And I know your birthday.
What's my birthday?
September 10th
And
of 2004. Just kidding. It's
Oh.
November 10th of 2005.
Don't give out my birthday. Nah, it's fine. It's fine. You know, I got the editing program. Everybody knows I got. Ooh, what's over here? We're at the car show here.
Yes, babe.
Eating a lot of candy. Alright, we're doing this. Alright. Let's get to the cars. Right? Thank you. Look at all those fire trucks over there.
I'm soaking wet.
You are, it's okay.
Pretty cool. Alright, Owen. Oh, and you got a big pimple. Let me pop it. Ew, come here. This is so cool, guys. Harleys. Huh? So, that's not a dirt bike. Oh, yeah. Whew. Holy. Yeah, this one definitely sticks out the top, but look at that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, huh?
Oh, yeah.
That's a nice music song.
the B36 982 Chevrolet engine.
As you guys can tell, this one's
Uncle
definitely
Sam,
a racing one.
I want you.
Oh, look at this. This thing's definitely got some turbo up in it.
Low crazy.
This one's got some roll cage racing seats.
What is
That's something else.
racing engine right there.
That's definitely something else. Oh, here we go. The Incredible Hulk car right here. Not bad, not bad. Guys, you guys see that? It's all green. Stuff in there. It's really cool. As you guys can see right there, there's some turbo.
Oh, this was a turbojet 375 HP engine.
Where are you seeing these at?
I just know my cars.
Oh wow, yeah, you're real.
This car.
Oh yeah. Look at this car, guys. Now, those kind of doors are in Lincoln Hypersport.
Oh, this nice Chevy car.
2017 Chevy Camaro.
Oh, look at this Pontiac.
Ooh, guys, look at this.
Okay, I need the 50-50 guys to come up to the raffle tables, please.
Look at that. Yeah, these cars are amazing. How small they are. Oh, guys, look at that. There's definitely turbo in there. 100%, because there's a little turbo speedometer thing right there. Nice car, nice rims.
This one has dice in it, look.
See, this car, that car, and that car over there are like my favorite. Like, they're pretty nice. Like this Chevy.
I don't like this car.
What a nice truck here.
That's what I said.
No, you didn't. I got it all on camera.
Cool. He has before pictures of what it looked like before.
That's what it looked like before. And then, look at that. Look at those two engines.
This is a Chevy.
Look at that. All these pictures. Ooh, ladies. Sarah, I'm just like, ooh, ladies. Just ladies. No, the train! Look at this, guys. Nice car. Real nice car. I like those gear shift thingies right there. Stick shift. I like how it's a good grip, you know? So you don't have to be like just moving the ball.
Like the doors, look, these
Oh yeah, look at that.
are heads,
Really cool.
but they're school heads.
I want them to open up the hood, but they won't open up the hood on this one either. Look in here.
Oh, this is the 1958 Chevy Camaro.
Woo! These cars are clean, man.
Oh, what a nice Chevrolet.
Chevrolet.
These are all Chevys.
Oh, look at this. Scooby-Doo.
Oh my god.
That's stuck
Would
with
you look at that?
At first I thought this was like a Pink Panther or something.
Oh my god. It's a 1934 Chevy.
500.
No.
Chevrolet Ramjet.
I mean,
These cars are so cool.
I'm so good at like knowing what these cars are. I'm just a car person, you know. I just read up on cars.
You just look at these. So same exact car doors as a Lincoln Hypersport. Nice inside.
Yeah.
Sir, these kind of doors, those are in Lincoln Hypersports.
Are they?
Yeah.
Very.
No way. This is a 2013 Chevy Camaro Z11.
L.
L1.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
L1. Ooh, man. I just get the goosebumps looking at it. I like cars. I was like, I like cars. Nice. I like turtles. That was such a dead meme like 16 years ago.
1954 shit. Is that water?
Nice. You guys can see the engine right in there. Where's the engine?
Shaker engine.
It's like a
Maybe that does.
Chevrolet Camaro.
1966 Chevy,
Oh.
Chevy Corvette.
That's a Dodge Challenger. This is Corvette. Chevrolet. It's a Corvette. Totally.
Yeah. What do you want?
Guys, look at this one.
Look at this one. It has a disco ball.
Yeah.
It's a party. Party in the right. Party in the front. This is in the back.
Party in the elevator.
Now.
Oh, here we go. SS396. Let's just
Yeah,
sing over
bye.
there.
Yeah, the disco ball?
Yeah, party in the front. This is his back.
Oh my gosh, you did not just.
Inside that hood, the Alfa Romeo. On the backside of it.
That was the year I was born, 2005. The 1957 Chevy 210. Ooh, man. Look at all these flames. Look at that engine in there.
This is a 1954 Chevy pickup.
Alright. Real nice car, real nice car. Well, it's actually a plane, but it's a plane, but it's also an eagle. Mustang. So far. I like those cars over there by the corner. Oh my gosh.
This thing.
It's a Monte Carlo.
It's a Monte Carlo. Guys, those are probably the best cars ever. Truck. Nice truck here. Look at this.
No! 1966. This is a 1966 Plymouth Sport.
Real nice car, real nice car. Even Bradley GT, not bad, not bad. You just take off the glitter, make it red. Ooh, look at these seats back here, guys. In order to sit back here, you have to bend your head back there.
As in all blue.
396. Oh, Chevy.
That's exactly what I said. This is only a 1966 Ford Mustang.
Lame. Mustangs are
I
the
didn't know
best.
you wanted that.
Ooh, Cobra. Yeah. Cobras are very, very nice.
No
Big.
way. 1969 Chevy Corvette Stingray.
Nice car, nice car. Not bad.
Sarah, where do you think the lights are? I have no idea.
Alright. Nice trucks there too. I like that truck. Alright, one more car, then I have to turn it off, but yeah. Nice cool right here. The free up good. Shut up.
I know.
Okay. Alright guys, we're going to end the video here. All done with the cars. We came here. Pretty great. Alright, see you guys in the next video.